Kia ora, Bob Burnett here again at the Balmoral Otautahi Super Home project. And it's an exciting day. We've got the CLT panels being lifted into place. It's amazing to see it go together so quickly, and we get a really good feel for the space now with the roof going on. I really like the CLT because you get this beautiful aesthetic with the timber ceiling, which is like the finished surface, and then you've got the warm roof on top of that, so it's going to be really well insulated.
Hey everyone, on site here at Balmoral Lane, where the team are lifting up the top level of CLT up the upper roof, as you can see. So sometimes with CLT they lift it up by strops, and that's putting a hole right through. So because it's a visual grade, we've got a Rotherblast lifting system where it's using just 4 screws, and some of the panels are about 1,600 kilograms, so just 4 screws will have enough capacity to lift those, which is pretty cool.